Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about my daily routine. When we follow a routine, we use our time wisely and achieve our goals step by step. I wake up early in the morning at 6 o'clock. First I brush my teeth and wash my face. After that I say my morning prayers and thank God for a new day. Then I go for a short walk or do some light exercise. Exercise make my body strong and give me energy for the day. Then I take a shower. A shower make me feel clean and relax. After the shower, I wear clean clothes and get ready for the day. At around 7:30 am, I eat my breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. A healthy breakfast gives us energy and help our brain work better. My breakfast is simple. Sometimes I eat eggs and bread. Sometimes I eat paratha with tea. I also like drinking milk or tea in the morning. While eating breakfast, I sometimes watch the news or check my phone. But I try not to spend too much time on my phone because it can waste time. After breakfast, I start my work or study. I prepare my book and notes. I plan my task for the day. Planning is very important. When we plan our day, we know what we need to do. It helps us stay focused and productive. During this time, I try to learn new things. Learning is very important in life. Every day we should learn something new. It can be a new word, a new skill, or a new ideas. Around 10:30 am, I take a short break. During this break, I drink tea or water. Sometimes I eat a small snack, fruit or biscuit. Taking short break is good because it relaxes our mind. When our mind is relaxed, we can work better and think clearly. Sometimes I also check message or talk with friend during this time, but again, I try not to waste too much time. At around 1 p.m., it is time for lunch. Lunch is another important meal. I eat rice, vegetables, and sometimes chicken or meat. After lunch, I take a short rest. Rest is important because it gives energy to our body. Sometimes I lie down for 20 or 30 minutes, but I try not to sleep too long in the afternoon because it can make me feel lazy. After resting, I start my work again. This time I focus on finishing important tasks. Sometimes I read book. Reading is one of my favorite activities. Book give us knowledge and improve our thinking. Sometimes I also practice English. I like learning English because it is an international language. It helps us communicate with people from different countries. I watch English videos, listening to English stories, and practice speaking English. This helps me improve my language skill. Sometimes I meet my friends in the evening. We talk about different things like life, work, and our future plans. Spending time with friends make life more enjoyable. Friends support us and make us happy. At around 8 p.m., I eat dinner with my family. Dinner is usually lighter than lunch. This is a special time because the whole family together. After dinner, I relax for some times. Sometimes I watch television. Sometimes I use my phone or watch YouTube. I also spend some time learning new thing online. The internet is a great place to learn if we use it wisely. Sometimes I read a book before going to sleep. Reading at night help me relax and sleep better. Before sleeping, I like to prepare for the next day. I check my task and make a small plan for tomorrow. A daily routine is very important for everyone. It helps us manage our time better. It also make our life more organized and balanced. People who follow a routine are usually more successful because they use their time wisely. If we follow a good routine, we can achieve our goals and live a happy life. Every day is a new opportunity to learn, grow, and improve ourselves. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe to my channel.